What's going on, guys? Rome with the Romer here. In this video, I'm gonna go over why books are the best thing to sell on Amazon.
Grind hard, well done, sir, and welcome to the freaking Well Show.
Let's start with number one. Number one, Bezos himself started selling books on Amazon. He started the biggest company ever by selling books. And 10% of Amazon sales still come from books. People are still buying books today. Out of 30 million products that are on Amazon, I think it's 30 million products. It's either 30 million products on Amazon or 30 million sold each day. Either way, 10% are books. That's a pretty big deal. Number two of the top 10 Amazon sellers are booksellers. So this isn't just something that you can have as a side hustle. It's something that you can have as a full-time hustle. You can build a business. You can build a huge business. The sky's the limit with Amazon. Amazon has been increasing in value. It's been growing like crazy over the years, and it's not going away. So those are the first two reasons why books are amazing. Number three, books are everywhere. You can go into libraries, you can go into thrift stores. They're all over Craigslist. People are constantly giving away books. People look at books as trash. So it's something that oftentimes takes zero startup, zero capital up front. You can take something and you can flip it for often thousands of dollars. So it's cheap. The biggest sellers on Amazon are doing this. Jeff Bezos himself started Amazon with books. There's so many reasons to get into books. So if you guys are interested in learning how to build a book business A to Z, where I teach you how to source, scale, reprice your inventory, I hold your hand helping you set up all these different softwares. The link is in the description below to my course, The Book Business Blueprint. This course cost me $20,000+ in mistakes, and that's not an exaggeration. Literally over the years, I've made so many mistakes buying books that I shouldn't have bought, doing different sourcing techniques that I shouldn't have been doing, paying to attend these events, paying to attend events where I learned from different mentors of mine. So this book is jam-packed with all that information. If you guys are interested in that, link is in the description below. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Catch you in the next video.
Sir, and welcome to the freaking Well Show, and party central to my well ones. A night of violated hell codes. Dope sells like the charge do, but selling's all about potential. And money speaks, then I'm the main act. I give a